There was a drunken piper he came marching through our town. He'd seen the signs o' ravage and recession all around. Folk wouldna pay a money mair to hear him play a tune, so he'd take his pipes into the shop and sell them for a pound. He couldna claim redundancy nor ony compensation for being a drunken piper in a brainwashed population, where music had become a form of teenage masturbation, and all the stars with big PRs cause cash ejaculation. Sexy bums and synthy drums are all the rage the new. He had nae choice but to become a piper on the brew, and on a shelf gathering dust lies the pipes o' blue, and never mair will we hear the tunes that drunkard knew. But ye cannae had a piper doon. He'll aye spring back, be Christ is boon to rise again, and play a tune, with skirlin birlin round and round. He'll lift again your spirits dreich, he'll mak ye dance, he'll mak ye wheech. Arise, O Benjamin, and blow awa, for Babylon the hoor must fa'.